For grammar this week, we're going to be taking a look at the ing sound that we put at the end of the word. Now, normally when we're reading and we see ing, we go ing, ing, as if we have a ring on. So ing is what ing says when it's together. Now, ing is actually part of a verb tense. It helps us know when something's happening. So remember, before we talk about what verb tense it is, let's look at and remind ourselves the two different verb tenses that we have. So if we're talking about a present, that means it's happening right now. If we're talking about past, that means it's something that's already happened. So those are our two different verb tenses that tell us when something happened. So when we use ing at the end of an action word, we are talking about present tense, so something happening right now. Let's take a look at two examples. This one is jump, so I can jump. If we add ing, we can say I am jumping. So this dog is jumping right now. The next one is help. I can help. Well, if you're helping someone right now, like he's helping him up, I am helping. So now that we've taken a look at what that ing means, head on over to the next video so we can do our grammar page together.